Thank everybody out there for watching. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Listen, y'all know what today is. Today's not Fitted Friday. That was yesterday. But today, listen, I had a couple of people message me like, yo, I thought you was dropping a video today. I was. I had all intentions on dropping a video yesterday. Now, do your homework on the process of things. Whenever you're doing the work, I was on an adventure yesterday. And long story short, this work ended up coming out over 3 hours, man. Over 3 hours trying to drop something. So I'm gonna let you guys in on a sneak peek of this. I actually mentioned this, I want to say a little prior to Christmas. I did a video speaking about the Crumpets pack. Now, if you're not familiar with the spirit of Christmas, then you wouldn't know who Crumpets is. But do your homework on when I dropped this. I already had this hat and I showed you guys I was gonna be showing you one half of it then and another half of it now. So I'm showing you guys the other half now. And I've been saying I'm not on the duck hunt. I'm not on a duck hunt. Do your homework on me not being on the duck hunt, bro. I'm not, right? But first and foremost, again, this is the other piece of the Crumpets pack. You couldn't have one without the other. So ladies and gentlemen, I present to you, no, not the ugly duckling, but the hat everybody, the logo everybody is raving about, the logo everybody is going insane about. Now, from what I read, the rights originally to this were sold. And when it was sold, for whatever reason, they sold it and this logo was not in use anymore. So y'all know them as currently the Anaheim Ducks, but from my era, from my cloth, we knew them as the, who were they? They were the Mighty Ducks. So if you grew up in my era, you grew up from my time frame, I'm gonna blow this up for you guys, and you remember the Mighty Ducks. You remember my boy Wild Wing right here. As you guys see, he has the mask on. I'm giving you guys a huge, I wish I really could use this logo. I might have just, listen, let's start there. I might have just pitched the idea to myself. So long story short, if you ever grew up in this era and you remember seeing the Mighty Ducks cartoon, that was my era. That was from the 90s. Of course, they did an actual live film. I believe there was 2 of them, or maybe 3. There might have been 3. Y'all got to correct me. Hit me in the comments. How many regular Mighty Ducks movies did they do? Like the live action with actual people. I got to do my homework on that, bro. But anyway, long story short, these hats are coming out. Exclusive Fitted has dropped. I think 13 last I looked. This logo was literally just released, like just re-released, let me say. So there is alterations to it. As you guys see, there's red eyes on the inside. This is actually kind of raised. If you guys can see, the quality on this is super, super fire. The interior is black liner. I actually wish this was white. I mentioned this whenever I rock fitteds, I really be noticing the white liner be a lot more comfortable. Again, I don't know if it's the material or what's what. I would just narrow that down to me guessing that's what that is. Gray UV, you guys see the UV is gray. Red brim, and that new era banging. It's sticking out like it's supposed to stick out. Now do your homework on when I talk about I don't like when new era logos are blended. Now I'm giving you a zoomed in because this is blended. I chose to put a pen over it, so hopefully you can at least see that there's something there even from a distance. Don't mind my hair. Don't worry about my hair. Don't worry about all that. But just look at the glory. Just look at the glory. Look at the glory right now, right? But anyway, this right here was something I absolutely had to do. And again, we could call them we know them as the Mighty Ducks. If you guys hopefully can see that. Hopefully it's dancing a little bit for you guys. But this right here was something I absolutely had to do. This was initially a plain Jane. So you guys know what I be on, man. Something on both sides of a hat to me stands out. And again, yes, it's the mask, but it's, come on, man. Come on, y'all know what I'm doing. So when you see me bob out, if you ever see me in one of these, this will be the one you see me in. I have not been chasing these. There was one other one that I actually really did like. Topper Z, actually, USA dropped one. They dropped a super fire one. It was like purple and teal or something like that. It was really on board and along the lines of what you would think the Mighty Ducks would be. It wasn't the original Mighty Ducks shades though, but it was fire. It was fire. Look, y'all got me. I done adjusted my hat. Now I'm trying to get it together over here. But look, let me know what you guys think, man. Is this logo fire? Is this logo fire? Being that they just re-reverted it, they re-retroed it, and now it's out now, currently being used. Over 30 of them are out there. I've seen a couple guys put up quack quack. You know what I'm saying? In my era, my time, if you was in Florida, if they be saying, bro, you a duck. A dude, he a duck. That's not a good thing if you a duck. Some of you shorties out there, some of you girls, some of y'all girls be ducks. But listen, speaking of ducks, man, y'all will be seeing me the next time you see me. I'll be dropping a video in a couple of days, but I will be back in Florida. I am preparing, making preparations to make this my grand finale of being here. So I want to thank you guys for being along the journey as I've been up here. Thank you guys for your support. Let me know what you think. But Florida, here I come. And we working, man. We got things in the works. I told you guys I'll be showing you some of my ideas. Let me know what you guys think of this one. Is this heat or is this weak? You gotta let me know if this is heat or if it's weak. You know what I'm saying? I just want y'all's opinion out there. Let me know what you want to see next. Again, I've been around. I was collecting AHL hats 10 years ago, 12, 13 years ago. I promise you can do your homework on me. So I actually don't collect hockey hats too. That's another topic. I don't really collect hockey hats at all. But this is an NHL hat, as you guys see. So this is official. As you guys see, it's officially licensed. This is official. But now you don't got these. Your boyfriend ain't got these. As I always be telling the girls watching, your nephew, they don't got this, man. There's over less than 500 of these out there, so it's not overly flooding the market right now. The logo, yes. This hat, nah, it ain't done like this. Y'all see the red eyelets right there, super fire. Let me know what you think about this one more time. And is this heat? Check the quality on that piece. Is it heat or is it weak? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Catch me, I want to say in the next few days or so. I'll be dropping something for you guys while I'm down bottom. And thank you guys for tuning in. And as always, I will catch you on the next one.